Okay, we go.
Can never eat it.
We were invited by Beir Bua, a development organisation in Dublin, to come to India, to Gourela, a small village in Rajasthan, to work with the tribal people, the Beir tribal people, and to share my dance knowledge, to both share Irish dance, but also to learn from the locals, their culture and their style of dance.
This was a really unique kind of opportunity to come and be embedded in a community for 4 weeks on a whole lot of different levels, just to appreciate the ordinary everyday life, the community here.
The kids were the most open. They're obviously the kind of easiest to access because you bang a drum or you play music and they want to dance. So it's primarily been young people, children. But the beauty of taking it to the banyan tree and into the community is then their parents and their grandmothers and passerbys can stop and watch. And that's kind of what's happened is, for each kind of workshop or rehearsal we have at the banyan tree, we have, the whole community in the village comes out to watch. So it's kind of entertainment for them, but they feel part of it.
When we play under the banyan tree with the children, it's great when it's just the drumming, but when the dance starts, I think it kicks into another level. It's almost like people get a visual on what it is that you're doing, that they're only hearing it first, then when they see the dance they understand the rhythm in a different way.
Recently we discovered that there is no art and music that is being taught in the school. So when initially we were approaching the kids and saying that there will be people coming and we will try and teach you drums and we should come and we should have some involvement, so they were very skeptical and I was very skeptical myself. I was thinking, how will it, they are professional musicians and these people have not seen a bora and they don't know what a djembe is, how will they take it? But they have their own way of approaching them. Now when things are happening, I see it is wonderful.
I think it's really important, both here and back home, to take art out to where people don't normally get access to it. Access is a big thing in terms of who has the money to go see it or who's in the inner circle that knows about it. And I think especially for young people, it's important for us to go to them.
What we were doing here when we were interacting with children, local children, is I guess they giving them a chance to be co-creators and to be doing dances from different cultures that they wouldn't necessarily have come across, and getting them to just have fun with dance and music.
For me it's a big thing to see girls empowered, to feel good about themselves, to feel that they have a place to be seen and to be heard, and I feel we've come a long ways from the more timid and shy to taking the stage.
Day to day, as we did, the crowds got bigger and the kind of response from the children. So it's got to the stage now where, like, I step outside the gate and all the children will be giving me calls and responses that we did in the workshops.
Their way of acceptance and recognition has increased. So they are also talking about that my daughter is also coming. Somebody was saying that my son is also coming, and there was a girl who was complaining that my brother didn't got a chance to play the other evening. So you make sure that next time when he's there, he will get a chance. All right.
I think it's great that somebody came here and built a place with the rest of the village in mind when they were making it, and how the village could benefit from there being a house here and artists here.
I think also when you set up a residence space in a village, especially if it's internationally run, it's really important for it not to be behind closed doors, that we embed ourselves in the community, that the public get to know us as people as well, and feel that this is here for them, not just us. Being here and seeing how India works is really important in terms of engaging with Indian communities back in Ireland, which is really the key to integration, being able to understand the culture. Namaste.
Namaste.